I recently had the pleasure of using the US ACEKOOL Mixer MC1, and I must say, it left a lasting impression. From its powerful performance to its sleek design, this stand mixer is a true kitchen companion. Here's my in-depth review of the US ACEKOOL Mixer MC1 7.5 Quart 10 speeds, tilt-head stand mixer in black, design and build quality. The first thing that caught my eye was the mixer's stunning black exterior. It exudes elegance and sophistication, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. The tilt-head design allows for easy access to the bowl and attachments, simplifying the mixing process. The overall construction feels solid and well-built, assuring durability for years to come. Powerful performance, the US ACEKOOL Mixer. MC1 is equipped with a robust 500-watt motor, providing ample power for various mixing tasks. Whether I was kneading dough, whipping cream, or mixing batters, this mixer handled everything effortlessly. The 7.5 quart stainless steel bowl was spacious enough to accommodate large batches, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Versatile speed settings. With 10 different speed settings, this mixer offers excellent control over the mixing process. From a slow stir to high-speed whipping, I found the speed range to be perfect for various recipes. The dial on the side of the mixer allows for easy adjustment, ensuring precision in achieving the desired consistency. Attachments and accessories. The US ACEKOOL Mixer. MC1 comes with a comprehensive set of attachments. The included flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk cover all the essential mixing needs. The attachments are easy to attach and detach thanks to the quick release mechanism. Additionally, the mixer also features a splash guard, preventing messy splatters and keeping the countertop clean during operation. Ease of use and cleaning. Operating this stand mixer is a breeze. The controls are intuitive, and the tilt-head design allows for easy attachment changes and bowl access. The non-slip feet provide stability during mixing, minimizing any movement on the countertop. Cleaning the mixer is equally convenient, as most attachments are dishwasher safe, and the sleek surface wipes clean effortlessly. Noise and vibration. While the US ACEKOOL Mixer MC1 is a powerful machine, it operates with relatively low noise and minimal vibration. This ensures a pleasant user experience without disturbing the household or causing discomfort during extended use.